Let's talk about a hidden trick in Microsoft's EA proposals, future growth padding. A large manufacturing company in Germany came to us with a renewal quote that looked reasonable on the surface. But when we dug into the numbers, something didn't add up. Microsoft had baked in an extra 1,000 licenses, labeled as expected headcount growth over the next 3 years. The problem? There was no confirmed hiring plan, no projects to justify it, just sales-driven inflation to lock in future spend now. Here's how Redress Compliance shut it down. We did a full headcount and role forecast, confirming actual user demand across all business units. We stripped out the speculative licenses and challenged Microsoft's growth projections, line by line. We renegotiated the deal to include flexible true-up clauses based on actual growth, not sales assumptions. We secured contract language that allowed for annual adjustments, not upfront commitments. The result? A multi-year agreement aligned with real business needs, not Microsoft's revenue goals, and a total reduction in scope worth hundreds of thousands. Talk to us at Redress Compliance. If Microsoft is asking you to prepay for users you don't even employ yet, challenge it. We'll show you how.